Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to learn about how you can search in the Field app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap on the Field app. So once you open your Field app, it will end up in its home page where you can find several of your preferences whom you can be compatible with. So once you're redirected to this kind of page, all you need to do is simply press on the equalizer like option on the right hand side of your screen. So once you press it, it will help you search people according to the age range, your preferences, your maximum distance, and by desires and recently online update. However, to search by desires and recently online update, you need to first get a Majestic membership. So this is how you can search on Field. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.